The dashboard is your home page. Upon logging in, this is the first page you will see. The following is a brief overview of the features available on the dashboard. Click under your name at the top right corner of the screen to open up a drop-down to Features on Gears. User Settings allows you to change or update your first and last name, email address, date of birth, phone number, and address. Change Password allows you to change your password. To change your password, click on your name at the top right corner of the screen and click Change Password. Follow the prompts to change your password. Dashboard gives you access to the dashboard. Date Calculator allows you to accurately calculate the time between two dates. Logout allows you to log out of Gears. The day-night switch icon allows you to change the background color of your account to light, dark, or automatic. On the dashboard, Total Evaluations is the total number of assessments, both complete and incomplete. Outstanding Evaluations is the number of your incomplete assessments. My Completed Evaluations gives you the number of completed evaluations. If you click on the Evaluations button, it will take you to the Evaluations page. There is a help guide available in the upper right corner. Click the question mark to access the manual. On the left side of the screen, you will see your name, and underneath that it will say California Serrazzo. California Serrazzo is the institution. Below this is a navigation menu. Click on the plus button to the right of the word Management to open the navigation menu. Caseload shows the list of clients within your agency specific location and allows you to create new clients. Evaluations shows the list of performed evaluations within your caseload, the date, the evaluator, the status of the assessment tool, and the due date of the evaluation. Reminders allows users to create assessment reminders. Gears will send an email reminder to users indicating they have upcoming scheduled assessments. In Reminders, you can select the tool and the date for the reminder and the client.